What's up guys, I'm Sarang and welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video I am going to tell you how to download Pubg Lite in India. So with that being said, you should leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. First of all, you want to download Pubg Lite zip file from the link down below in the description. You also need to download ZArchiver APK. I will leave the link in the description below. After you install ZArchiver, just open it up, allow the permissions, navigate to the location where you have downloaded the zip file. Long press on the zip file, click on rename and rename the format as .zip. After it is finished, click on it, click on extract to. After it is finished, open up the file, click on APK file, click on open and install it. Once it is successfully installed, click on Android, long press on OBB, click on copy and copy it to your internal storage Android and paste it there. The Pubg Lite is successfully installed. Then that's all for this video guys. Click the red subscribe button for more videos, like and share this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.